my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I'm a condiment fanatic. I like to make my own because I know exactly what goes in it. There are no preservatives, the ingredients are fresh, and I'm in control of the sodium as well. Too much salt is not good for us. There's one that I love making, especially when I have tostadas, tacos, salads, and so on. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pickled red onions. This is probably the easiest pickled recipe ever, and the results are so delicious. There's an endless list of dishes where you can use this condiment, so check the website for more ideas. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here's our red onion that is cut in half. From there, we'll thinly slice it either using a mandolin or by hand. I show you how to do a Lyonnaise cut, so to refer back to it, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll slice it in half to have smaller pieces. You don't have to, but I prefer it that way. Next, we'll fill and pack our jars tightly with the onion slices. We're looking for 4 cups of onions, which works very well for 2 500 ml jars. Alright, so we'll set them aside for now and start making the brine. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add white vinegar, followed by water, some granulated sugar, and ground sea salt. We'll stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. It won't take that long. We'll remove it from the heat and let the brine cool to room temperature. Because we didn't let the mixture simmer, the waiting time should be fairly short. Now that the brine has cooled off, we'll pour it over the onions, place the lid on, and apply the screw band, tight enough so it doesn't leak. We'll shake the jars until the onion slices are well coated. Then we'll let it marinate for 1 hour sitting on a counter. When time is up, we'll use it for recipes or refrigerate for up to 3 weeks. And my friends, these are our pickled red onions. This is not only extremely easy and quick to make, but it's also a great condiment to have on hand. Crispy, tangy, and sweet, these little guys enhance so many dishes. After making them, you'll see how popular they will become in your house. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!